Hello friends and followers. Well, try number 3 for the Denton Clipperton. It's all put back together in the case, and the 10 watt half ohm resistor is now mounted on the bottom. I did fire this thing up on high voltage and on CW voltage, and nothing bad happened. I'm pulling about 150 to 200 watts out of it on AM, and it's working. So here's the transmitter, exciter. Keying it up, feeding Dentron with only 10 watts there, getting about 100 watts out. This is KB3W, by the way, testing. So there's 100 watts out. Nothing bad happening in here, no red plating. I could increase the drive a little bit. There we go. See what happens now. There's almost 200 watts out there. 15 watts drive. This is KB3W testing on AM. Testing Dentron amplifier. So that's it. Dentron's back in action. Looking good. Half ohm resistor, 10 watt, is mounted beneath. We'll see if this sucker blows up again or not. Time will tell. I like running Dentron on AM at 200 watts if I can. Last time I ran this thing on 200 watts, I smoked the resistor, so yeah, she's cooking along at 200 watts. This is KB3W testing the Dentron. KB3 Whiskey testing. Sorry if I covered anybody up. I thought I did. KB3W. Okay, that's my demo. Dentron is back in action. For how long, I don't know, but maybe it's fixed this time. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.